Let's clear something up first. You are not lazy. Lazy people don't feel guilty about wasting potential. You do. Which means what you're calling laziness is actually something else. It's overwhelm wearing sweatpants. See, when a task feels massive, write the book, change your life, get in shape, become that version of you. Your brain panics. It freezes, and then it whispers the most comforting lie ever. Let's do it later. But later never comes. Later just keeps changing its clothes.
Here's the truth no one tells you. Laziness isn't a personality trait, it's a habit, and habits can be redesigned. Step 1. Make it stupidly small. I don't mean manageable, I mean embarrassingly small. Don't write the book, write one sentence, not a paragraph, not a page. One sentence so easy your brain can't argue back. Because progress doesn't need confidence, it needs permission. And perfection is the fastest way to never begin. Step 2. Stop relying on motivation. Motivation is like a flaky friend, great at the start, gone when things get boring. Instead, build routines so easy they run on autopilot. Put your workout shoes by the bed. Put the notebook on your desk. Remove the decision-making. When something is already waiting for you, starting doesn't feel like courage, it feels like habit.
Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. Promise yourself you'll do the thing for just 2 minutes. That's it. No pressure, no heroic speeches. Because the hardest part isn't the work, it's the start. And once you start, momentum does what motivation never could. Bonus move? Reward the start, not the finish. Finished is rare. Started is powerful. Celebrate showing up. Teach your brain that action equals safety, not suffering. And here's the real takeaway, the quiet one. Big changes don't come from big effort. They come from small actions done consistently by someone who stopped waiting to feel ready. You don't need a new life. You need a first step so small it feels almost pointless. Almost. Because that's how everything meaningful begins.